What up, you mother beep, 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 beep. Alright, so we out here because first of all, you should do a montage of yourself just going but so what originally happened was this guy over here locked my keys into my vehicle
Your car locked by itself.
and apparently Infinities lock on their own. Now my dumbass was like, yo, I'm to the rescue. Tony's gonna come. Yay, let's go. I'm gonna come with the keys. Uber.
All the way from Long Beach.
Long Beach. Spent $40 on an Uber ride because my Uber apparently couldn't find the 22 freeway. And just to not come with keys, bro. I was like, bruh. So a little embarrassing, but it is what it is. Now we're trying to get into the car and fucking scratch my vinyl, and then we ended up peeling off the vinyl, or he ended up peeling it off, and he was just like playing tug of war with it, getting it going, trying to fight the car, and then snap my car, bruh. So we put some what was it called, the glue called?
3M panel bonder.
3M panel bonder or bonder tape or glue, and then we're about to do some sanding, get some work done. So then rewrap it real quick. Yes, little 20-minute job, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Stay tuned, let's get it.
Smash that subscribe button, you already know.
Oh yeah. I tried to do an extro, but I couldn't do it. But stay tuned. Bro, do I need a mask too? Dude, that's so unsafe.
You're good. Just stand away.
Dude, you sound like fucking. You sound like fucking.
Sound like you in your fucking Tyrone video.
No, dude, you sound like
So yeah, we're about to go get the exhaust done.
No, you sound like Bane, bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? You say you be no crack. Bruh, I want my refund. Whoa, yeah. I like the way you, yeah. What is that, filler?
This would be filler to make everything more smooth.
Alright, so today we're gonna learn, we're gonna teach these rookies. These rooks. So now we're putting on
hardener.
The first
coat of filler.
First coat of filler, and then we put some, what did you call it?
Hardener.
Some hardener. So first we get the boner, then we get the hardener. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so now we got the hardener and we got the filler. You mix it all together until it turns to a little brick color. Once it turns to a brick color, yeah, bro, that's it. That's all I know.
Tony Lessons 101 or
Tony
what?
Lessons 101. Look at that. Looks almost like what's that called? My mouth got water. It looks like
the fuck? That's way too much.
Looks like no, for real. We need a lot, bro. We need a lot more than that. It looks like damn, bro, like what do you call that, bro?
I don't know.
That one type of cake, red velvet, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, what?
Looks like red velvet kind of.
Think so?
A little bit.
Yeah, see, I put way too much.
I mean, I'll take some home, bro.
Fucking take it home.
Let me get the, oh shit.
It'll be hard.
Can you zoom in through this? Like, how do you zoom in?
Turn the whole knob.
Like this? Alright. Damn, look at the shine on this, bro. Look at the shine on this.
Not for long. It's going to be all dirty right now.
Look at this guy over there. Look at this guy. Hey. Damn, look at this sexy car though, bro. Dude, this guy who worked on my car is pretty legit, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Who did?
Some guy. I fucking found him outside of Home Depot.
Some stupid ass YouTuber?
Yeah, low key. Just kidding. Oh damn,
So
dude.
that's the first pass.
Woo!
So yeah, see, way too much.
Shit, he's like that. Oh damn, bro! Look at you, man. I never seen you put so much force in your fucking body. Look like you're a bodybuilder now, dude. So I asked him what this mirror was about. So apparently, if you guys didn't know, this guy used to be a dancer. So this is what the mirror's for. You know how you dance? Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. He used to be a dancer. That's what this was about, man. I was so curious on this, bro. Yo.
What was that again? Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
So,
Oh wow.
tried these chips.
Oh wow.
They're hard.
They're hard. Oh,
Woo! Look at that.
oh wow. My name's Tony. Oh wow.
Bro, I got like, if you guys know the deal, I got something called TMJ on my jaw. It's like a
Oh
jaw.
no way, are you serious?
Bro,
Swear to God.
no.
Dude, I have that too.
TMJ?
That's why I can't eat too
Bro,
much.
bro.
My jaw starts to lock up.
Bro, I got TMJ.
Yeah.
Except I just fucked it up. But there is exercises you can do for your TMJ. If you don't know.
Well, you're gonna need to teach me these exercises. What do you do?
Yeah, legit. I'll show you, but I can't show us on camera. And I woo. And I woo. Bro.
Solo, solo, solo. Hey, hey, get it. Solo.
Hey. Where am I going? I'm not even with my feet. Dude, my feet got sore already from doing that.
Dude, you know this stuff actually tastes really good?
Tastes really good.
You can eat it. Literally.
No
Come
way.
here. Look at it. Right here. Try it.
No way, dude.
Try it.
Ugh.
I'm just
Hey,
kidding.
you know what it smells like? So I used to skate back in the day, and there was this thing called shoe glue. Anybody who's knows what shoe glue is. This is exactly what it smells. And this is a COVID test for you motherfuckers out there not wearing masks and shit. You smell something, smells like shoe glue, you ain't got COVID. You ain't got COVID. Dr. Tony for you.
Well, you heard it first, guys. You heard it first. But, yeah, so we put the second coat down, letting this dry. It's pretty cold outside, so it's taking longer than usual. Let it dry. After this one, probably another one or two. Probably another one, but hopefully not. And then,
Bro, I'm about to be in my hot ass breath on this shit.
all right, just sit there and do that.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, my gosh.
Imagine actually standing there just...
Do it.
No, I don't know.
Comment down below, guys, if you want him to just take over my channel.
Nah.
Because I think he makes it more exciting.
I mean, we all make it exciting, you know what I'm saying? We all gonna make it funny and all that. That's what you're supposed to pause it.
No. That's what I'm supposed to pause it.
Like at least, you know, cut scene, cut edit, extra, intro, all that.
Anyways, guys. Anyways, let me know down below if you guys enjoy having him on. Hit that thumbs up as well. But damn, dude, look at this. Oof. Oh, wait, hold on. We didn't even, let's show them.
Oh, I gotta open the garage for that.
Look at that. Eee. It's hella cold outside though. I'm freezing. All right, go.
Don't open it, man?
Nah, you're good. Go.
First of all... Just kidding, though. But I got raped today.
Ooh.
Lewis was like, yo, man, come to my muffler guy. He got you, blah, blah, blah.
My
all
guy
they
was-
had to do is weld a piece on, well, cut and weld. First of all, they did that. They made it all crooked. Charged me $80 to cut and weld.
But then, Mo, remember he said, he's like, so at $80 at first, right?
Right.
And then he told you, hey, man, I got to make the hangers longer.
Yeah.
You asked,
I'm gonna charge you extra.
and you're like,
I'm gonna charge you extra.
how much? And then he said from 80 to...
140! 140! I was like, bro, cook me up, give me 400. I can do it for 100. Dude, I swear to God, bro.
And then...
I can do it for 100, wait. But you look at I gotta cut it like this, and I gotta put it like that. He puts it on, makes it, bro. Literally, I kid you not. One was sticking out, bro, like
This one.
a whole inch further than this one. And he was like, I put it down, man. I do everything well, man. Everything good, everything nice. But if you want me to fix it, I'm gonna charge you extra. I'm like, so you gonna charge me extra for something that you did that you didn't do right? And he was like, well, I just put on how you got it, man. You brought it one way, I brought it. I fix it one way. I'm like, this motherfucker. I'll do it for 120, bro. He's like, I do it for 120. Hey, lift it back up, man. I'm like, how the fuck your accent not? Anyways, bro, he said lift it back up, put it back up, boom, 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 bam, shada beam, shada bang. Fixed it, and here we are, $120 later. Here we are.
Yeah, it honestly, guys, it should have cost only like literally 30 bucks. Like, let me see if I can show you. So, right there, this was all already built. All he had to do was cut the old one off, weld this one on, and that was literally it. It shouldn't have cost that much. You want to do a small little startup and a small rev?
Yeah.
Before my neighbors get mad? Oh yeah, that's right. Well, you got to go in there and give it a little revy
rev. Go in there slowly so they know it's a self-start. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for real. For real. I'm so dead, dude. Oh my god. There it is.
Back at it again. All right. So, oh shit.
What happened?
All right, nothing. I just kind of fucked up. All right. So we're down to the wrapping point. Now, what do we got? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Lewis?
We're gonna put a sticker on it.
We're gonna. That's all we're doing.
Pretty much.
Putting a sticker on it. Hey. Hey. There you go.
Oh, and then we have to glue it down again.
Oh.
The back piece.
Oh shit! I got scared. I know what the fuck that noise was. I thought I stepped on something. Oh snap! Nope, you already fucked up, bro. Do it all over again.
Oh.
That's it. Cut it.
Trash.
Cut. Cut. Cut.
All right, guys. Since he got tired carrying the camera, I guess I'll finish. Yep.
No,
so,
it's because I forgot, man. I got on my phone. You know how it be. You know how
you can't forget though, man.
I felt like I was taking the shit, bro. You know, you get on the shit.
Whatever.
30 minutes.
Yeah. Just like when you forgot about to bring the keys. And that's the reason why we're doing this.
You know what? No, you fucked up, man. This guy drove his car and forgot to lock his wheels, and he's fucking driving with.
Oh!
Hey, rescue me, bro.
Oh!
I drove my car.
Oh!
Hey, rescue me.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay.
His wheel was shaking and shit.
Okay, whatever. So, anyways, we got everything trimmed out. I just have to tuck it. Can't even see the damage. I don't even know where it's at, to be honest.
I see where it's at, but I ain't
You don't
Nah,
see shit.
No, you can't see. Honestly, you really can't see.
I don't know where it was at, to be honest.
I got the little.
Damn, son, look at that.
Let me see that.
So we glued it down, so yeah. Looks pretty.
Move your hand. Move.
You know what? Sa.
Oh, I'll cry.
Like, you fix it. Dude, look at that beauty. I still love this white side though, man. This white side is. Check that baby out. God damn. Look at this Panda right here.
This motherfucker, bro. If you don't stop saying that shit. Dude, I'm not Panda.
He's Panda, bro.
Fucking not Panda.
Okay, you're the dark side of the Force. Darth Vader. He was calling it. I told him Darth Vader and Stormtrooper, and he's like,
oh, Darth Vader?
Dark Vader. He called it Dark. Dude, that sounds like a porno or something, dude. Dark Vader. No, I don't know.